Item. SCP-970. Object Class. Euclid. Special Containment Procedures. All sites affected by SCP-970 are to be acquired by the Foundation, with a suitable cover established. Civilians attempting to enter the site are to be discouraged, preferably within the boundaries of local law. Trespassers are to be administered a Class A amnestic. In light of Experiment 04 and Addendum 970-02, armed personnel are to be stationed by entries into affected sites. Description: SCP-970 is a spatial phenomenon wherein a collection of rooms are looped on themselves. In all cases found, this is by means of a series of doors appearing in the walls, all in a straight line, such that it is possible to walk forwards and end up at the starting position. The alteration to the rooms does not affect neighboring rooms and floors. There is as of yet no known explanation for the appearance of this phenomenon. SCP-970-01 is a cell block within Sector 19, and the first example of the SCP-970 phenomenon encountered by the Foundation. It was constructed with the intent of housing Class D personnel, and fulfilled that purpose until when several D classes breached containment in an escape attempt. The investigation into the incident led to the discovery that a series of doors had appeared in the cell block, leading into rooms on the opposite side of the corridor. It was quickly established that the layout of the building did not support this addition, and that the rooms were following a non-standard geometry. Since the incident, further such examples of the phenomenon have been discovered, with % of these in an 800-kilometer radius of Sector 19. One notable example was found within the western wing of the redacted Legislative Palace. In this instance, the Foundation was unable to acquire the affected site, and local authorities proved intractable and hostile when recommendations on security were made. The matter was resolved 6 months later, in a violent coup which saw the destruction of the building, resulting in data expunged, was eventually contained by Mobile Task Forces Rho 8 and Pi 1, supported by the rebel forces.